Hey everybody out there on YouTube. I got the Miele G4228 Futura Classic Dishwasher. I just wanted to let you guys know, if you do decide to buy this thing, there's going to be one of these. These are the energy label stuck to the front of the unit here. And I hope I'm going to save you guys some grief, because I'm going through some really bad grief here with Miele. I just got off the phone with them, and so basically what happened was I tried to remove this label here, and it is so gunked with adhesive that the adhesive, and you might be able to see right here, it's still more adhesive. I can't get off. I mean, it's very difficult. I've been so what happened was I tried using the warm water and a soft sponge and soap, and tried to scrub it off, and as you could see, I damaged the front panel. And so somebody at work said to get some Goo-Gone, which in the manual it says not to use any chemicals, but apparently you need to use chemicals. So I put that on there, and it got, like I said, the majority off of it. I'm going to just use this little bit over here. But the problem here is Miele will not replace this panel. They want $500 for this thing, and you know, I paid like $1,000 for this thing as it is, so obviously not going to be doing that. So hopefully this will help you guys out. All right, take care.